Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to install an update on Xiaomi Smart Camera C300. Within the app, click on three dots in top right corner when you are in the camera settings and find firmware update. You can see that I have an update available, so I can click on update. If you don't, then you will not be.
The camera is about to be updated. Please make sure that the power and the internet connection don't get disconnected during the update process.
Follow the instruction the camera gives you, and also there might be some instructions on the screen, so follow them as well. And just wait until the camera updates, and remember to not unplug it from the power and make sure that internet is on, because it may break your device if you lose the internet connection or now it says updated successfully, so you can go back and go back again, and now it will reconnect to the camera. Oh yes, it's reconnected, and you can use it again, as you can see. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.